Hello friends. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the ancient lands of Magadh, there lived a young man named Arjun. Arjun was always eager and curious to gain knowledge. One day, he heard about a wise man who lived just outside the village, renowned for his understanding of the power of silence. Intrigued, Arjun decided to meet this man and learn from him. After a long and arduous journey, Arjun arrived at the serene and peaceful place where the wise man, known as Mahavir, resided. The calm and tranquil environment immediately soothed Arjun's mind. Mahavir, a man in his 60s with a long, flowing white beard and deep-set, wise eyes, welcomed Arjun warmly and invited him to have tea. Mahavir's simple, earthy-toned kurta and shawl reflected his connection with nature and his inner peace. As they sipped tea, Arjun, a young man in his early 20s with a lean build and restless energy, asked Mahavir, "What is the power of silence?" Mahavir smiled gently and replied, "Silence is the key to understanding the mysteries of the universe. It is in the quiet moments that we can truly connect with ourselves and the world around us." Arjun, surprised, responded, "But how can there be power in silence? Isn't power found in raising our voice and speaking our mind?" Once again, Mahavir smiled and answered, "True power does not only lie in speaking. Real strength comes from within, from our inner peace and stability. When we are calm within ourselves, we can achieve anything we desire." To illustrate his point, Mahavir shared a story. He said, "A long time ago, there was a great king who ruled over a vast empire. His subjects feared him because he was a harsh and cruel ruler. One day, a wise sage came to the king and said, 'Your Majesty, there is great power in silence. If you learn to use this power, you can rule with wisdom and compassion.' The king did not understand at first but thought, 'What harm could come from trying?' So, he began to listen more and speak less. He heard the concerns of his people, their hopes, their fears. Using his power wisely, he began to help them. Gradually, the king became known as a wise and just ruler. His empire flourished simply because he understood and applied the power of silence." Arjun was deeply moved by Mahavir's story. He realized the profound wisdom hidden in silence and decided to stay with Mahavir to learn more. Over the next few weeks, Arjun practiced meditation and learned to quiet his mind. He began to listen to the music of nature and his inner voice. For the first time in his life, Arjun experienced a new sense of peace and clarity. One day, while sitting in meditation, Arjun realized that silence is not just about not speaking, but about listening deeply. He understood that when he was silent, he could hear the voices of the universe. He felt a deep connection with everything around him. From that day forward, Arjun lived his life with a new sense of purpose and clarity. He understood that silence would guide him in all his endeavors and that he could achieve anything he set his mind to. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more like it, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.